What's going on, cryptocurrency universe? It's the Bitcoin miner here, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. Well, just in case you wanted to follow along my crazy build, I thought I would share. It took me a while to figure out how I was going to actually pull off all of this measurements and put it together. But I think I came up with a pretty simple way, more or less a jig, if you will. So what you need to do is order one of these towers. You can get them for like $10 or so, $12 on Amazon. Just kind of get it, or whatever you're doing, an Orange Pi 5 or a Rock Pi, whatever you're building. Just build the towers because they have the screws pre-marked out. Find your spacers that you want to use, whatever they might be. You can either glue them, make sure they don't move, just measure them off, use a tape measure. So what I did was I created my lines. You can see right over here, this is my back line. This is my corner line right here for the first row, my corner line for the second row, and for the second row. They're on the second row, and then there's the third line for the third row. So then you can just find a spacer, and then these jigs, you gotta be super careful, just kind of slide up and down into place to where you need them. So I hope that, guys, helps you put you guys' boxes together and assemble them. And at this point, all we're going to do is just drill the holes out, and then you can go ahead and put your towers in, your setups. All right, thanks, guys, for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Talk to you later on.